Now I'm going to make the leaves. For the leaves, I will choose a smaller hook. I'm taking a 2.5 mm hook and 3-ply yarn. So I will first chain 8, slip stitch, and I'll make 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we've got 8 chains, and I will make a slip stitch in. I will make a single crochet in the second chain. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, in the next chain, 1 half double. And now in 3 chains I will make double crochets. So 3 double crochets. First double crochet, then in the next stitch again double crochet, and 1 more. So here we have 1 single crochet, 1 half double, and 3 double crochets. Now again 1 half double. And now this is the last stitch, so I will make 1 single crochet, then chain 2, and I'm going to make a single crochet in the second chain. This is a picot. Now again in the same stitch I will make another single crochet. So this will create a pointy tip of the leaf. This was the tail from the foundation chain, so I'll just keep moving it along the stitches, and I'll hide it when I'm making the stitches here. Now we will work on this side of the chain. We are going to work on the opposite side of the chain. So the first single crochet is made already. Now I will make in the next chain here, I will make the half double, and now 3 double crochets. Now 3 double crochets are done, and now these 2 stitches are remaining. So I will first make a half double here, and in the last I will make a single crochet, and I'll now make a slip stitch in the very first single crochet. This. Now I will make 2 chains, pull up a loop and cut off the yarn. Pull up some thread and then cut. Pull out some thread and then cut off. So, and this thread coming from the foundation chain, I'll just trim it from here. This thread will be hidden in between the branches. I've made quite a lot of leaves. You can make according to the much you need to cover up your space of the frame. Since I chose a very big frame, I've made quite a lot of leaves. You can make according to the much you need to cover up your space of the frame. Since I chose a very big frame, since I have a big canvas here, it's 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters. So this is why I needed to make a bigger tree and a lot of leaves. If you are using a small canvas, which is 20 by 20, like this one, you might need to make a smaller tree, and see, you might need to make a smaller tree for this and lesser leaves. But I chose a big one because I will also make a calendar over here, because I will make a figure here and then calendar over here, and I need to write a happy birthday note. So that's why I chose a bigger canvas. All these things couldn't fit on this smaller one. So now it's time to stick all these on the canvas.